Agriculture depends greatly on the honeybee for pollination. Such pollination, we would see a significant decrease in the yield of fruits and vegetables. It collects 66 pounds of pollen per hive per year. The honeybee uses pollen as food. Pollen is one of the richest and purest natural foods. Honey has antibacterial qualities. Eating local honey can fend off allergies. Honeybees are not aggressive by nature and only sting when protecting their hive or provoked. The practice of honey collection and beekeeping dates back to the Stone Age, as evidenced by cave paintings.
There was a little bee, he never did agree to all of the chores he should do. So he picked up the phone, got through to the throne, gave his queen a buzz, yes it's true. Buzzing all day long. So he set off on his own with the bottle of cologne and a playlist of all his best tunes. Buzzing through the doors, the killers and the calls of the pyramids and Timbuktu. All the bees looked up as he came into land on the Spanish golden sands. And then he sang, buzz, 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 buzz. I wanna just play because I don't wanna be working no more. For 2 weeks in the sun, he was such a lazy bum, just drinking and fooling around, checking out the scenes, meeting out the queens. He became the man about town, buzzing all day long. The little bee danced, he waggled in a trance to all of the queens so impressed. One of them he asked, the one he danced with last, will you come with me back to my nest? So the last song played, and to the beat they swayed, singing the dancing queen. Oh. And then he sang, buzz, 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 buzz. I wanna just play because I don't wanna be working no more. Buzz, 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 buzz. I wanna just play because I don't wanna be working no more. But as the weeks went on, all the fun had gone. He'd eaten and drunk far too much. Feeling all alone, he started flying home. The Bee Gees on his iPod Touch, buzzing for so long. From a distance he saw his co-workers do their chores, hiding from his family. He knew there and then he loved to work again, so he came out from behind the tree.